Did you know that most dealerships don't think that they have a key problem? Mainly because the cost of lost keys doesn't actually show up anywhere. After working with hundreds of dealerships, I've noticed something really interesting. Many stores aren't losing keys, but they are losing a lot of time. Now this is interesting because dealerships replace keys every single month, but very few actually know how many do they lose. So one of the biggest operational expenses at dealerships isn't even being reported on. So a quick question for you. How many keys did your dealership lose last month? If you don't know the answer, that's okay. Most dealerships can't answer that question. Now the whole story starts with the minute someone walks through the front door wanting to test drive a vehicle. Because what happens? Hey, I saw this car on your website, I want to check it out. As a salesperson, what do? Let me go find the key, and then let me go find the car, and then I'll pull it up. And then they disappear for 20 minutes. In the meantime, the person's sitting there on their phone, looking at other stores, looking up pricing, going, I don't know, man. If the guy can't find it, I'll just go somewhere else, I guess. Does that story sound familiar? During that 20 minutes, when he can't find the key because it's checked out of the key machine and it's with another salesperson, or it's over in Recon, or it's over at PDI, or they're still cleaning it, or maybe it's at a sales manager's desk for a particular reason and no one knows this. This is just the beginning of that problem. I don't have a key problem. Yeah, but you have a time problem. So let's walk you through that same scenario now with a customer who has TrueSpot. Somebody walks in the front door and says, hey, I saw this car, I saw it on your website, I wanted to check it out, I even got a stock number for you. And you say, great, good to know. Let me put that in and see where it's at. And they say 530A. So we go, okay, let me type it in, 530A. All I need is a few of it, and it pulls up, and I go ahead and click on it. It's gonna default and show me the location of the vehicle first, if you're tracking that, and then right above the map, it's gonna tell you where it's at. So it's saying, hey, it's in the main used car lot. And then I can see the pin drop of where it's at. And I can zoom in, I can zoom out, all of those things to make sure I know where it's at. Now, you're gonna notice there's 2 keys on there as well. I can track both of the keys to this vehicle. So one of the keys right now is in the key room. Great news. The second key is out at a sales desk right now. So if I'm trying to sell this vehicle and I'm like, well, I've got the main key, but the spare key is somewhere, guess what? I can pull it up and track the spare key as well. So whether a key is in the key room or not, think about the customer experience. Hey, Mr. Customer, I can see that the key's actually over to sales desk real quick. Let me go find the sales guy and I'll get that from him, and then I'll take you out front, the car's out there. Or, hey, I can actually see that the key's in the key room, car's right out front, let me grab it, we'll walk out there together. You just improved your customer experience and you saved time. And you don't have a key problem because you're tracking the location of both keys. This is an excellent way to improve the efficiency of everybody who touches keys and carts at your dealership. Think about that. That's your sales team, your service team, that's your PDI team, that's your recon team, that's your photographers, that's your third-party vendors that do work on your cars. It's everybody. It's your buyers, it's your porters, like anyone who needs to ever touch a key in a car. What if you could make all of them just a little bit more efficient? What does that equivalent to, right? Did I sell an extra car that month? Did I recon a car through faster, right? Did I get something through service quicker, right? Like every single process. So even if you don't have a key problem, you might want to improve efficiencies. Maybe you have a time problem, or maybe you have a car logistics problem. TrueSpot can solve all those. Let's talk about your store. I would love to know more about it and look at ways that we can improve your processes, make your customer experience better, and just generally make your employees happier, because if they're happier, they're going to do better work and they're going to make more money.